Hello, this is Miss A, slowly recovering. Only 4 days left until your GCSE Maths Edexcel exam. Excited, nervous, stressed? You'll be absolutely fine. Remember, I'm here to help, and I really wanted to talk to you about common mistake number 6. Please always take time to read the very front page of your exam paper, as some exam papers it says diagrams are not accurately drawn unless otherwise indicated. In some of the exam papers, it mentions this next to the diagram. When these questions appear, what mistake should you avoid doing? Don't measure the diagrams when it is not drawn to scale. The number of students who still measure the diagrams, and then I'm like, why? It is not going to help you. You are simply wasting your time. Diagram not drawn accurately or not drawn to scale means you have to find a method calculating a length or an angle or anything else to get the answer. Calculate does not mean measure with a ruler the length or use a protractor to measure the angle. To show it in more detail, let's have a look at an example. Hi everyone, so this is the question that I wanted to go through. So we have, this is in the higher tier paper and in the foundation paper. A, E, D, B, G, C, F are parallel, okay? D, A, D, B, D, C, as you can see, are all equal. Okay, so they're all straight lines from a point. Angle EAB is equal to angle BCF is equal to 38 degrees. Work out the size of the angle marked X. You must show you're working. Okay, so let me show you the parallel lines, AE, so these lines are parallel. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of that. You should note that in your head. I'm going to tick each sentence as we go along. So there's DA, so that line is also the same as that line, which is also the same as that line. Okay, so I've got that in my head and I'm going to take that sentence off. Angle EAB is equal to angle BCF. So I can see that angle and that angle is the same. Perfect, noted it down. So I'm going to tick that sentence off. Okay, so it says to work out the size of angle marked X, you must show you're working. Okay, so here I can see, using my angle reasons knowledge, that I can see a Z here. So because it's alternate, I know that will be 38 degrees. Okay, and same on this side. I can see a Z. So I also know that this is also going to be 38 degrees. So before I forget, let me tell the examiner that. Angles, so angle A, B, D, ABD is equal to 38 degrees. And angle C, B, D is also 38 degrees, and this is due to alternate angles. Okay, now what we need to try and show to them is how to get to X. Now looking at this triangle, so let me just show you the triangle in green, in pink actually. So both these triangles, so if I was to just focus on this triangle here, and it's isosceles, that means all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So I've noted that down. And now I'm going to write it down, tell the examiner that just write it there as well. 38, tell the examiner angle BCD is 38 degrees and angle BAD is also 38 degrees because the base angles of an isosceles triangle are the same. Okay, so now we need to work out this angle here and this angle here, and we can do that by adding 38 and subtracting it from 180. So let's show that here. 38 plus 38, 76. 180 take away 76, 404 degrees. Okay, so we know angle BDA is equal to 104 degrees, and angle BDC is also 104 degrees, and tell the examiner that this is because angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so got that. Main aim is to try and work out x, and if I show you with let's write this down as 104, and this is 104, and in yellow if I show you that this is a circle, so our angle around a point add up to 360. Oops. So to work out angle x, we need to do 104 add 104, which is 208. 360 take away 208, it's 35, 2, 5, 152. X is equal to 152 degrees because angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so with a green pen, I'm going to show you where you get the 3 marks. So 1 mark for the alternate angles, second mark is using the isosceles triangles to work out the base angles and of 38 degrees and 104 degrees, and obviously the final answer of getting 152. Remember, you have to show your reasons as well, so it's really, really important. The whole point of me going through this is that you do not use a protractor. I know many students who are like, oh, that X angle looks like an acute or an obtuse or a reflex, and just randomly guess some angles, show some, I don't know what type of working out, think they get the right answer, otherwise they just get a protractor and start measuring it. So please, please, please don't do that. It's not drawn to scale, so see how many calculations that you have to do to get the 3 marks. Okay? I really hope today's video was really useful to you, and I hope you like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video, mistake number 7 to avoid. Thank you very much.